Hello guys, welcome back. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can make your roof, and after this if you have any complex roof you want to make, you can drop your request. I'm going to show you how you can equally make that. Now for you to make roof, go to architecture. Under architecture you have roof here, and there's a default roof. If you should click on the default roof, it's going to take you to roof by footprint. And if you should go to this drop down menu here, you have so many type of roof type. You have roof by footprint, you have roof by extrusion, roof by face, surface, fascia, and gutter. Now the most common one is roof by footprint. That is the first one we are going to see, and others we are going to see how we can make use of them in the future movies when we go to the advanced classes. Now for you to create your roof, you might be tempted to create it on level 1 or on level 2, whichever way you want to create it on. You can actually create them, but it depends on your base of the roof. That is what define where the roof is going to be placed. So if I want, I can create my roof, but advisably you should create your roof on your level 2, because you'll be able to see whatever you are going to create. Sometimes some walls might not be on level 1, they might be on another level. So the place you're going to create your roof should be the place you should be viewing your plan from. So I'm on the level 2. Now go to roof, then create roof by footprint. I'm not going to save. Now we have overhang. I'm pretty sure you know what overhang is. That is the eave of the building. You can give it overhang of 3 meter, 300 millimeters, or it could be 4, or so, whichever one you want to make use of. Now you can click on this edge, because I'm a peak wall, or you can make use of peak wall or peak line. So now if I should mark my roof, now I have my roof in place. As you go to 3D, I have something like this. So this is one way you can make your roof. And if you have a shape like this, that is how you can equally make that by following the path. The way while creating your footprint in roof is same thing as floor. If the lines are not banded together, they're not in a closed loop, it's not going to accept. For example, if I should click this, now you see that you're going to give me a signal, an error message that line must be in a closed loop. So what it means is that everything must be bound together, they must be connected together. So you need to connect them together. And even if you can make your roof how you want it to be. Now SL to split, then you trim this place as well. So if I should click on yes, now I have something like this. So this is how you can create this one type which you can create your roof. Now after creating, you can maybe click on it and change the construction pattern. Now it's on plumb cut. If you like, I take it to 2 cut, Ctrl Z. Sorry for that. Let me take a look again. The reason being why doesn't want to apply the cuts or flip pattern because of this particular edge. Edit footprint, level 2, align, yeah, they are aligned. Look at it again. It's still there. Now let me delete it and do it again. uh, 400. We have something like this. Offset 400, align, yes, trim, delete, and have something like this. Now if I should apply the plumb cut, now it's going to apply. See what I have. So if you don't want to have that ugly face, you can hide that as well. The two step can equally apply that, you see. So check the difference. So whichever one you want to apply, you can equally apply that as well. Now you can align it to the top of this. Now click on your tab, you want to click the edge. Now it has been aligned. Now another roofing pattern again. Go to architecture, roof by extrusion, pick a plane, yes, okay. Now I want to pick this plane, click yes, say okay. Now take me to sketch mode. I'll position it well, escape, front. Now I can draw how I want the roof to be. Maybe I want something like this, okay. So I will have something like this. Take it extrusion end 0, then extrusion start. Let me give it 500. I have something like this. So I'm coming for the thickness later, and I can also have something like this. Go to my roof, my level 2, on roof, click on roof. Now offset, let me offset 300. I click on this edge and this other edge. Now if I should uncheck this angle, let's see what will happen. Define slope, uncheck, go to 3D, mark it. You see what we have. So if you go again, 3D, or for the floor plan, check the angle, check this, uncheck it, okay. You see what we have. So you can equally leave one side open and one side closed to give you what you want, depending on what type of roofing style you want to have. And then having this particular side open, you can attach that side to the roof. So attach base, attach, so you have been attached to the roof as well. So if you should adjust this roof, it's going to equally adjust to the particular wall. So if you go to roof again, you have roof by extrusion, and roof by soffit. Now the next thing we are going to take a look is roof by fascia. Now if you should click on your fascia, now click on edit type, go and set. There are so many fascia that you can pick here, and you can equally customize yours. So let me click on this bigger one. Okay, now click on the edge of this roof. Going to give it something like this. If you want this, if this is what you want to create, you can create something like this. If you are done, you go out of the command and out, and after you have created this fascia, you can also change it as well. The type have something like this, but this is not what I actually want to do, so I'll get rid of it and then click on it, change the blunt port to square cut, apply. Okay, now if I should apply my fascia, it's going to be vertical. So what I need to do, I'll take it to a plumb cut, the first one, apply, allow it to be like this, then edit type, duplicate. Then I need to duplicate it first, rename it, edit type, then change it maybe to 10, the thickness should be 10. Okay, okay, then have something like this. Now base offset should be 0, apply. Now I can apply my roof by fascia, roof by fascia. You see, so you have your, sorry, cancel. You have your roof by fascia. So this is how you can play with your building and apply roofing style or any other way you want to apply. Now this one I can assign it to that little one I made earlier, this one as well, take it to the second one, and I have something like this. And if you wish, you can apply other roofing pattern. So this is how you can create roof based on how you want your roof to be, either by extrusion. And if you have any other challenge regarding how you want your roof to be or your roofing style to be, you can make the request. I'm going to make a tutorial for that particular design that you that particular design that you want to acquire. So on how to create roof, these are how you can create roof. You have roof by gutter, soffit, and roof by face. Normally I make use of either by footprint, roof by extrusion, and gutter as well. So you can change this to anyone, but if you like you can duplicate, but advisably you should duplicate first so that it's not going to alter the original. You see, now I have something bigger than what I have earlier. So thank you for watching, see you in the next class.